Good morning. In this video lecture, I am discussing the lab task. That is the task 3. The task 3 can contains A, B, and C will be there. And task A, that is the write a C program to find the roots of a quadratic equation using if else. Using if else. To find out the roots of the quadratic equation, what is exactly quadratic equation? Ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0. The roots of that particular quadratic equation equals to root equals to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4a. Minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. Sure. Now here the b square minus 4ac is the discriminant. b square minus 4ac is the discriminant. Depending upon the discriminant, the roots of the quadratic equation will be changed. Roots of the quadratic equation will be changed. If the discriminant is greater than 0, at that time roots equals to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. If it is equals to 0, at that time root 1 and root 2 equals to minus b by 2a. If the discriminant is less than 0, at that time root 1 and root 2 will contain the real part and also imaginary part. That is the complex numbers will come. Now at that time that means else, that is the real part and also imaginary part. Understood? This is the theory. I think we know that one in the case of the mathematical. Now the program. First we have to take the values of A, B and C. Take the data from the user. Then we have to calculate the discriminant b square minus 4ac. If the discriminant is greater than 0, I already told that if the discriminant is greater than 0, root 1 and root 2 equals to minus b plus square root of discriminant by 2a. Root 2 equals to minus b minus square root of b discriminant by 2a. Understood? This is the discriminant greater than 0. If the discriminant is equals to 0, root 1 and root 2 equals to minus b by 2a. Displaying that one, root 1 and root 2. If the discriminant is less than 0, there is the condition will be there less than 0. That is at the time real part and also imaginary part will come. Real part will contain minus b by 2a. Imaginary part is the square root of minus discriminant by 2a. Sure. Once again I am repeating. Depending upon the discriminant, we can discriminate the roots. The discriminant is greater than 0. The roots equals to minus b plus or minus square root discriminant by 2a. If the discriminant equals to 0, at the time root 1 and root 2 is both are equal, that is the minus b by 2a. If it is less than, that will be real part and also imaginary part will come. Sure, understood? Now, in this program, I use the math.h. Why I use the math.h means because I use the square root sqrt. This is the inbuilt function. So that when I include the hash include math.h. Understood? Now, 4b. The program should request the user to input two numbers and display one of the following as per the desire of user. Means sum of numbers, difference of numbers, product of numbers, and also division of numbers. This simple program. That means addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. Now here, same thing. Enter any two numbers separated by comma. Scanner percentage d, comma, percentage d. Num1, num2. First two numbers I am taking that one. Sum equals to num1 plus num2. Subtraction equals to num1 minus num2. Multiplication equals to num1 into num2. The division equals to num1 by num2. When you are dividing that number, there will be fractional part will come. So that one I am converting that is the float. And also I took that modulus also. Num1 modulus num2. Sure. Now printing the results. That is the sum, subtraction, multiplication, division, and also modulus. Understood? In the case of the division, I use the percentage here. Understood? Now, same program has to implement the switch statement. I think you know that we know that on switch statement. The switch statement is the switch case 1, case 2, case 3, like that one we are writing that one. Here in the case of the case 1, case 2, case 3, what about the case 1? That means the plus and minus and also multiplication and also division, so many things will be. Here the arithmetic operators. Okay. Now, char operator, double first operand and also second operand, enter an operator, scanner percentage the operator, how to take that one, operator that means plus or minus or multiplication or division, whatever the operator, how to take that one, enter two operands, scanf percentage lf, ampersand first and also ampersand second, switch operator, case plus, case minus, case multiplication, case division, case division. After that one, default. Suppose for example, in case the user typed the plus, that means at that time first plus second. That means case plus. Case minus, first minus second. The multiplication first into second. Division first by second. Understood? The same program have to implement, same program, previous program. The previous program has to implement by using the switch statement.